it's all gonna be good. Don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing, nothing now. It's all gonna be good. So breathe like you know you should. Yeah, breathe till you've.
Hey guys, welcome back to Crowned. Today I am finally cutting my hair. I've been thinking about this for a while and it just felt like it's time. So I decided to bring you along, sit down with me and just do it. No drama, no pre-production, just me and my hair. As you can see, the state of my hair is so dry. This is how it looks when it was stretched, and this is what I was working with. So before I get into the cut, let me show you what my hair looks like. My hair has been growing, thriving, struggling, all at the same time. This is the length, the ends, and honestly, some parts have really been through it since having my baby. You moms know the postpartum struggle is real. Look at it. Some parts I honestly don't have any hair at all. Like, as you can see, all my edges are non-existent. And I was just telling you in the video how I can't believe I get to start again. I feel like this cut is more than just hair. I've been wanting a fresh start. My life has changed so much this past year, and I want my hair to reflect where I am now. I want healthier ends. I want to feel light again. And honestly, I just want to feel like me. And by cutting this hair, as you have seen, I did cut my hair in April. We are in December now. So my hair is currently thriving. And sometimes, you know, as women, as moms, we hold on to hair that's not even serving us anymore. So today was the day I cut it. Yeah, so I did not do any preps like sectioning my hair or making sure that my cuts were even. The goal was just to fresh start, just cut it. I was actually kind of nervous but excited. I'm not doing anything crazy because I had just cut my hair a few years ago. So I'm just cutting off the unhealthy ends and giving myself a fresh shape. So, and I just went in with my scissors randomly, by the way, just cutting my hair, trying to trim it, making it all the same height. And yeah, oh my gosh, there's no going back now. I'm so glad I got to cut my hair and I got to share this with you. Honestly, this already feels so freeing. I didn't think a big trim would do this much, but it's doing what it's supposed to do. I have always believed our hair is our crown, but it's also a reflection of our growth. And this past year has stretched me, humbled me, and made me stronger. So this cut is like a little reset. And like I said, this was a few months ago. Currently my hair is thriving, and that I just can't wait to share my journey with you. And this is how it looked. This is my starting point, and it already looks so much healthier. I love it. I did try to make sure I got every part of my hair, but it was not about perfection. It was just about progress. I didn't want anything dramatic, just clean ends, a nicer shape, and a fresh start. And honestly, I love it. I love it. I love that I get to start over. And this time you guys get to see me start over. This feels like stepping into a new season. So this is how it looked like. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Sometimes it's the simplest videos that mean the most. If you're thinking of cutting your hair or starting fresh in any way, this is your sign. Do it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. And of course, I'll see you on my next one. Bye.